Hello friends, you are very welcome to my channel. Today I am starting a ketone bodies. What is a ketone bodies? The ketone bodies are the metabolic products that are produced in excessive during the excessive breakdown of fatty acids. Acetoacetate, acetone and the beta hydroxybutyrate are the collectively known as the ketone bodies or also known as the acetone bodies. Only the first two are the true ketone while the beta hydroxybutyrate does not possess a keto group. Ketone bodies are water soluble and energy yielding. In a normal man, concentration of the ketone body is the body in blood is usually less than 3 mg per 100 ml. Significance of ketone bodies. It is an alternate source of glucose for energy needs. Ketone bodies represent an alternative to glucose for the provision of energy to the cell. Then it is the production of the ketone bodies under the condition of the cellular energy deprivation. Ketone bodies are produced when the excessive fatty acids are being oxidized because of increased adipose tissues lipolysis. The glucose availability to the cells is limited. Such situations are seen in conditions such as diabetes mellitus and starvation. The next is the utilization of the ketone bodies by the brain. Brain normally utilizes glucose for energy needs. Although the ketone bodies cannot completely replace the glucose for energy needs in the brain, and brain gets adapted to oxidize ketone bodies during the prolonged fasting and starvation condition. Now we discuss the ketogenesis. The meaning of the ketogenesis is it is a process the formation of ketone bodies is collectively known as the ketogenesis, and the ketone bodies are synthesized only in liver. This is site of ketogenesis. Then localization of the reaction. The synthetic reactions occur in mitochondria since enzymes are localized in the mitochondria. And the reaction. The major pathway of the ketone bodies formation of is HMG coenzyme A lyase pathway, and the reaction of this pathway are the formation of acetoacyl coenzyme. In this condition, the two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A condense to form the acetoacyl coenzyme A, and this reaction is catalyzed by thiolase, an enzyme involved in the final step of beta oxidation. In the second step, the formation of the beta hydroxymethyl glutyryl coenzyme A. The acetoacyl coenzyme A combines with the another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A to produce the beta hydroxy beta methyl glutyryl coenzyme, or shortly we can say that HMG coenzyme A. HMG coenzyme A synthase catalyzing this reaction, regulating the synthesis of the ketone bodies. Now the formation of the acetoacetate. HMG coenzyme lyase cleaves the HMG coenzyme A to produce the acetoacetate and the acetyl coenzyme A. After that, the formation of the beta hydroxybutyrate. Acetoacetate can undergo the spontaneous decarboxylation to form the acetone. And the last step, formation of the acetone. Acetoacetate can be reduced by the dehydrogenase to beta hydroxybutyrate. The condition where the ketone bodies overproduction. In the certain conditions such as during the prolonged starvation or impaired glucose oxidation, the condition of diabetes mellitus, fat becomes a source of energy and its degradation is greatly accelerated. And result is excessive production of acetyl coenzyme A which cannot be fully utilized through the Krebs cycle due to the lack of oxaloacetate. Therefore, it converted to the ketone bodies. Here we can see that the formation of the ketone bodies from the acetyl coenzyme A. Two acetyl coenzyme A convert into the acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of the enzyme thiolase, and then it convert into the HMG coenzyme A by the help of the enzyme HMG coenzyme synthesis. Then it convert into the acetoacetate HMG coenzyme A lyase, and acetoacetate is divided into the two parts. The first one is a beta hydroxybutyrate and second one is a acetone. Beta hydroxybutyrate presence of the hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase and the acetone will be form acetoacetate decarboxylase. In this type the acetone and the beta hydroxybutyrate will be formed. Now we discuss the regulation of the ketogenesis. Ketogenesis is regulated mainly by the substrate availability. Increase the ketogenesis occurs when there is an excessive availability of the fatty acids for the oxidation. Thus, the increased ketogenesis occurs during the starvation or the diabetes mellitus. Then regulation of beta oxidation. Increased glucagon and decreased insulin in fasting result in the inhibition of the acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. And this result in decrease in the myelin coenzyme A. Decreased myelonyl coenzyme may result in increase the beta oxidation of the fatty acids or the activation of the carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1. The next is availability of the ATP. The increased beta oxidation result is more production of ATP through the citric acid cycle in liver. And this result in increased availability of acetyl coenzyme A for ketogenesis. The induction of the HMG coenzyme A synthase. HMG coenzyme A synthase is a rate limiting enzyme in ketogenesis. And the synthesis of the HMG coenzyme A synthase is stimulated by the fasting, increased intake of fat and diabetes mellitus. Fatty acids are strong inducers of HMG coenzyme A synthase, and the increased synthesis of enzyme occur by increasing transcription. The next we will discuss the ketolysis or utilization of ketones. Ketone bodies are utilized for energy needs in the extrahepatic tissues such as the brain, heart, skeletal muscle and kidney. The two ketone bodies, acetoacetate and the beta hydroxybutyrate, serve as the important source of energy for the peripheral tissues. And the tissue which lack mitochondria, that is the erythrocytes, however can't utilize ketone bodies. मतलब जिसमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो कीटोन बॉडीज को यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. During the prolonged starvation, ketone bodies are the major fuel source for the brain and the other parts of central nervous system. And ketone bodies can meet 50 to 70% of the brain's energy needs. And the reaction, the major pathway of the ketone body is utilizing the transialase pathway. In this, the first is the formation of the acetoacetate form beta hydroxybutyrate. Beta hydroxybutyrate is converted to acetoacetate by the hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. Then formation of the acetoacyl coenzyme A. Acetoacid is activated to form the acetoacyl coenzyme A by the transfer of coenzyme A molecule from the succinyl coenzyme A. And the reaction is catalyzed by the succinyl coenzyme A acetoacetate coenzyme A transferase. Then the formation of acetyl coenzyme A is cleaved to form the acetyl coenzyme A, and acetyl coenzyme A is in a reaction catalyzed by the thiolase. In this figure, you can see the ketone bodies formation and the export from the liver. The lipid droplets, hepatocytes present in this diagram, and then acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyrate and the acetone. Fatty acids convert into the acetyl coenzyme A, and acetyl coenzyme A used by the TCA cycle, then oxaloacetate convert into glucose by the process of glucogenesis, and glucose export as a fuel for the tissue such as the brain. And the excessive acetyl coenzyme A convert into the ketone bodies. Here the formation of the ketone bodies, and ketone bodies exported as the energy source for heart and skeletal muscle, kidney and brain. Now we will discuss the ketosis. Ketosis is a disorder of the excessive production of the ketone bodies. Here we discuss some causes. In the condition of the starvation, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, or impaired uptake of glucose by the peripheral tissues. And the biochemical and the clinical finding, the important feature of the ketosis are the ketonemia, ketouria, acetone odor of breath, metabolic acidosis and hyperkalemia. Ketonemia. In ketosis, the plasma concentration of ketone bodies is well above the normal limits in that condition. Ketouria, when the concentration of the ketone bodies significantly increase above the 70 mg per deciliter in plasma, they appear in urine. Now, acetone in breath. Acetone is also excreted by the lungs and produce a characteristic odor in breath. Acetone odor of breath. The next one is the metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis is caused by the excessive accumulation of the beta hydroxybutyrate and the acetoacetate. And the next condition is the hyperkalemia. Acidosis results in the shift of the potassium from the intercellular to extracellular compartment. Now biochemical diagnosis. Beta hydroxybutyrate in plasma, acetoacetate in urine, erythropoiesis test. The management, the provision of glucose to the tissue. Ketosis is suppressed by the restoring adequate level of the carbohydrate metabolism and correction of electrolyte imbalance and acid-base imbalance. Metabolic acidosis is corrected by the bicarbonate administration, and correction of the metabolic acidosis also reverse the in hyperkalemia. So this is the management of ketosis. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share. Thank you.